All right. Good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Filipino recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Both, ma'am.
All right. Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
100%, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
I don't have, ma'am.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
Yes, ma'am. I have tattoos, but not visible in this part, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I am healthy, ma'am.
If you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
All right. So why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
I choose Malaysia, ma'am, because I want to earn some, ma'am, and Malaysia has policy that you will not allowed to go outside, ma'am. That's why you can rest. You can rest well, ma'am.
All right. Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Okay. Hello, ma'am. Good morning. My name is Nova Ching Pasio, 31 years old. Single mother, ma'am. I have three children. Their ages is 8, 10 years old, and 13 years old, which is my parents are helping me to take care of them. And my background for education, ma'am, I studied second year college, Bachelor of Elementary Education, and in UAE, ma'am, I studied culinary management.
All right. I need to know some few more details from you first, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. When is your birthday?
November 21, 1994, ma'am.
You are a single mother, correct? What is your height and your weight?
My height, ma'am, is 5'2", and weight is 65, and I'm still on diet, ma'am.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic, ma'am.
Okay. So how many brother and sister do you have?
I have two sisters and two brothers, ma'am.
What
And
about what is your rank in your family?
I am the second, ma'am.
You are the second. So
Yes,
you mentioned that your mother or your parents will be the one taking care of your children. I
yes,
would like to reconfirm from you the ages of your children 8, 10, and 13 years old.
yes, ma'am.
All right. So what is your parents' occupation?
My parents are housekeeping and farmers, ma'am. And yes,
All
ma'am.
right. So in which country do you have your first working experience?
I work as a house helper in United Arab Emirates, ma'am, starting September 2019 until August 2024, ma'am.
So how many years you work there?
Almost 5 years, ma'am.
4 years and how many months?
4 years and 11 months, ma'am.
All right. So what is your job responsibilities, your previous employment in UAE?
I take care of the kids, ma'am, because their age are 5 years old, 9 years old, and the eldest is 20 years old, ma'am. I do the household chores like cleaning, washing, ma'am, car washing also, cooking, ma'am, as well. Then teaching the kids for their lessons, ma'am.
All right. Did you do ironing?
Yes, ma'am, I do also.
What happened? Why you didn't continue working with your employer, previous employer in UAE?
They asked me if I want to go vacation, ma'am, because I worked with them in how many years, ma'am. Then, when I'm here in Philippines, ma'am, they asked me that I will live with my kids, ma'am, for 1 year, so that if I want to go back with them, I will go back with them, ma'am. But then, ma'am, they are already found one helper, ma'am. That's why I talked to them, and I want to apply in another country, ma'am. And I choose Malaysia, ma'am.
All right. So after 2024, until recently, you are a full-time mother or you have your working experience in the Philippines?
Full-time mother, ma'am, and sometimes I'm helping my father in our farm, ma'am.
All right. So I would like to let you know that working here in Malaysia and Middle East is quite different, okay? Houses here is quite big and employers here is very, very particular when it comes to cleanliness. So you need to expect those unexpected things and I don't want later that you will going to compare UAE and Malaysia.
Yes,
That's why I am giving you the reality of working here, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So, are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
100% ready, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, I am, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
I don't have experience for elderly people, ma'am, but I will try, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so this is a 2 years contract, okay? Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home.
Yes, ma'am.
Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia.
Yes.
Are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours?
Yes, ma'am. I'm aware.
You cannot hold it because you are working, but you can hold your phone during nighttime only. After you finished your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will
Yes.
going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. This is a strictly no go out policy. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
I am okay, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here, okay? If you agree, it's fine. You can come, work properly, don't give us problem. But if you disagree, it's fine also. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Normally, how do you fight your homesickness? How do you deal with your homesickness?
I will make myself busy, ma'am, and just pray.
Okay, remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs, and most especially you are a single mother. You
Yes, ma'am.
have plans and you have some plans for your children, okay? But in the Philippines, you can do whatever you want. You can be the boss there. But here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you, Nova. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.
Next.